CSR provisions. As William Ford said regarding corporation that I believe very strongly that corporations should be a major force for resolving social and environmental concerns in the 21st century. In India, the concept of CSR is governed by the Section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. The CSR provisions within the Act is applicable to the companies with an annual turnover of 1000 crore Indian rupee and more. In the Act lists out a set of activities eligible under CSR. The indicative activities under CSR have been specified under Schedule 7 of the Act. The draft rules for CSR provide a number of clarification. Are surplus arising out of CSR activities will be reinvested into its initiatives. The criteria will be above the 2% figure. CSR activities implementation through non-profit organizations. These organizations should be a record of at least 3 years in similar such activities, collaborating their sources with other companies. Only CSR activities undertaken in India will be taken into considerations. The board report on CSR has been provided according to activity-wise and a responsibility statement. The CSR policy and monitoring process are in compliance with the CSR objectives. This has to be signed by either CEO or MD of the company. Every company, including its capital, having turnover of 1000 crore Indian rupees. During the immediately financial emergency, a foreign company having its branch office in India fulfills the above specified criteria. However, if a company not able to fulfill the above criteria, then it is not required to comply with CSR provisions. If any company fulfills the above criteria, a CSR committee of the board will be constituted. In case of a listed public company, the committee will comprise of three directors, one, one of whom shall an independent director. An unlisted public company not need to have an independent director on its CSR committee. The board of directors shall ensure that the company spends at least 2% of the average net profit on CSR activities in each year. In case the company fails to spend the requisite amount, the board shall specify the reason. They are not only required to spend money but also to follow the disclosure and other statutory requirement. Thus, CSR regulation is good for social equality and development of underprivileged people, and it uplifts the nation.